Alright guys, today we're in the basement right now. We're gonna wire up some more wires down here, running home runs. So here's all our wires. And we got some light boxes to put up. I'm running a wire in right now from upstairs. Here's another one. Now we got these light boxes here. Ground boxes for basement lights. I'm gonna put these in. These little guys right here. Kind of want to give them centered. I'm somewhat organized here. I'll go through and see where that goes line up to. Probably the general area. This is light down here. Let's see. And just keep going doing that. Go through it. Now we're going to go over to this side. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay. So here we go. Continue with the lights. Alright, so now we got our light boxes on. See, up there. So we're going to take a wire. We start on this end. We run the wire all the way down to this box. Right there. And we're going to run it all the way down. There. We'll run over this side. And we'll loop it around to that box, from here to that one. Then we're going to go back to the electrical panel. Boom, boom, boom. Or just to make a big loop. So whichever one we hit first, we're going to do, but you go up to this one first, over, anything, and back to the panel. The whole circuit. Right now we're running this line then. So you got my wire way down there. Coming down from upstairs. It's way down there. You probably can't see it too well, but here it comes all the way down here. I'm just running it down the beams. Tied this block around there. Kind of throw the wire down. Doesn't pull back on me too much. It's just high enough where I need the wire. It goes under box, whatever it is. Different angle. So I'm just gonna get in here, strip this a little bit. Insulation off. cut them out of the way. Ground squeeze wires. These good length. Wire stripper. Stripper installation off. Stripping the skin off. Just did. Maybe little Y hooks on here. Back the screws out. Black wire goes to the gold color, the whites go to the silver. Just kind of lay that in there. If it looks like that, we're going to tighten those up. Just like so. And tighten it down. Same with this side. Again, whites go to silver. And blacks go to gold. Tighten up this one a bit there. On that one. Tighten her down. I got a couple screws for this box that goes in here. So these kind of go right in there. Just put them in a little bit like so. Take another one. Another screw. There we go. That one's gonna go right in there. Now we got that in there. So take this thing, push it in the holes right there. These two big ones. Right in the slots. Push that up. I'll just carefully tighten our rubber loose. They don't end up breaking these right off. So there you go, YouTube. There's our fixture. This is a light bulb. That's that one. We're gonna do that, I don't know, 11 times all the way down. All those boxes we put in. Alrighty. Alright, so we got basement lights. I gotta do this again. I cut the other one off. GHT, and this right B, LGTS. I'm gonna tie this in the electrical box pretty quick so I won't be hanging out here too long.